What's up mga bro? Good evening and we need to try this halo mga bro. And this is Cafe 86 and we try it. And this is the vanilla and this is leche plan. And it's good mga bro. We need to taste the leche plan. 10 to 10 mga bro, and down below likes, followers and comment.